Hey now, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have a Zenpop Box unboxing video. So excited. I actually had to wake up extra early to film this today just because my weekend is quite packed. So let's get right into it. So this time, let's see, we are unboxing January. Okay, I was right. I kind of took a guess when I saw this that it would be the January box, but I wasn't sure. But yes, it's the January. Oh my gosh, memories, because I spent New Year's last year, or the last New Year's, in Japan. If you want to see that, it's on my vlog channel, and it was the best time. The only downside is that Tobias and I got both really sick towards the end, so that really put a damper on things. But this is so cute, and it's all hamster edition. Is it really? Because I see a lot of hamsters here. Okay, anyways, let's just get right into the unboxing. So we've got some pens. I think this is a glue stick though. I think. I'm not sure. We'll double check. Ooh. Okay, I mean, these look like this is the like Sakura jelly roll, but it's like, I love all the limited edition Sakura jelly rolls you can get. Like this one has like little sparkles here, but I'll put the pens aside. I think I'll put this side as well. I'm pretty sure this is deco, like washi tape, so I'll try that in the end to show you guys. What is this? Oh, it's like a little hamster eraser. Aww. These are the things that I just can never use. Like, how can you like erase it, like use it as an eraser and then saw off his little ear? That just seems barbaric. So cute. And I think you can get them in different colors. Like there's 3 different colors I see on the side. So I got the green. Hamster's so cute. I really should show you guys my decorative eraser collection now, because I have a little display. I'm quite proud of it. I display them actually with my perfumes, which I don't really use perfumes much because I'm allergic to most perfumes, but yeah, they all sit together. And then we have Mount Fuji sticky notes and clips. That's so cool. I have never seen clips like this before in the shape of Mount Fuji. Like, I see lots of different ones come out from different stationery shops, but this one is really, really cool. And like, I don't think I'd want to use it for anything I'm giving away to people. It would be like something I use myself. But yeah, actually, I'd use this in my personal planners, which I really need to do a planner walkthrough for 2020, because in my mind, I'm kind of deciding what planners I want to use, and I really want to get more into all these like little knickknacks for planners. Okay, so the next one is this. What is this? Oh, it's the calendar, the Zenpop 2020 calendar. I saw this on their Instagram account and I was really curious to know what it would be like. I really wanted a nice calendar on my desk, and I feel like Zenpop is the perfect one for it. Oh, it's like a CD. I don't know if you guys remember CDs. Okay, so I think you prop it up like this, and then you take out the notes like that. That is so cool. Oh, and I think oh my goodness, that's so cute. Okay, I just missed February. I think it's on the flip side. Oh, and they have the Japanese meaning, like noodles, men, saku to bloom, oshigatsu, new year. This is cool. Okay, I'm actually going to be keeping this on my desk, and if I ever do a desk tour, you'll see. I love the Japanese on it though. I mean, you guys know I'm learning Japanese right now, so I feel like this is extremely appropriate. Perfect. And then we have a notebook. This is so cool. I love this. I think it's lined. I don't know, you guys, I'm not sure if you can tell, but the hamster's butt is fuzzy. So it's like a different material here. And I think this is a pretty, yeah, normal lined notebook that they can use. That is cool. I love spiral notebooks. These are kind of my favorites to use. And then we have some stickers here. You can tell it's really cute stickers. Open them up. There you go. Can you guys see that a bit better? They're like little, they're like, I don't think they're like washi paper stickers, but they're very similar to it. Yeah, they're very thin. Bakari kokoro, I actually don't know what that means. Common Japanese greetings. So apparently a lot of these are common Japanese greetings written on postcards or gifts. Okay, very cool. And then I think this last one is a little bit like red packets. I don't know if you guys do red packets in your family or not. I know that for my family we do, but we call them angbao. I think that's the Chinese word for it. I tend to get some of these languages mixed up sometimes because I'm just so into different ones. But this is the but in Japan, I think they call it otoshitama. Basically, rather than giving each other actual physical presents, you give each other cash. And these are like the little envelopes that you would put the cash in, mostly for children. This definitely is so cute for children. But in my family, we tend to give it for everyone's birthdays, regardless of your age. But definitely more the like people older in your family and people very, very young in my family. So. And I have a massive family, so but I actually kind of like the idea of doing cash more. Personally, one is because I grew up around it, so I'm very used to it, but it does mean that you can then decide what you want to do with the money as opposed to get a gift like a vase and then not know what to do with it, at least. Yeah, but I know not everyone is into the whole money thing. I think it's a personal thing, but yeah, these are so cute. Okay. Oh, washi tape. Almost missed the washi tape. I love how this is wrapped up. Is this a washi tape on washi tape? Okay, let me open it up. Guys, it's a washi tape on washi tape. This is my first washi tape that features washi tape. That is so cool. I love it. Okay, right. We've got everything. Let's test out the pens and the deco tape. I figured I'd test out the deco tape first. It is very much like glue tape, whiteout tape, just a little roller thing, and you open this. Oh, it's is it magnetized? No, I think it's just the way this like hinge works. So yeah, let's roll this across. Okay, and I can't do it straight, but you get the idea. It's very stationery-esque inspired, and I love using deco tape for planners that I don't want to add too much bulk to, so like the Hobonichis or some of my more like bounded planners that I don't want to get too bulky, because I find that binded planners don't have a lot of give if you add bulk to every single page, whereas you have like ring bound planners like the Erin Condren or your own ring bound personal planners, way more give and understanding if you want to add bulk. But these add deco but without adding the bulk, so these are perfect. I love collecting these. And then let's test out these two pens. So I had a better look at the instructions, and I don't think this is actually a glue stick. It says it's a marker, so let's give it a shot. You can get it in different colors, and oh, it's like a highlighter but with glitter in it. Oh, very nice. Okay, it is kind of a highlighter, and it does deposit like very fine shimmers in here. Let me write this up and then I'll bring it up closer and see if I can get a really nice zoom in, because I don't know if you can see the glitter. Can you see the shimmers much? Oh yeah, you can. If I angle the page like this, you can definitely see them. Very pretty. And then I'm pretty sure this is a standard metallic pen. I'm getting really into the Sakura jelly rolls. I almost feel like I need to go get a pack, but I have so many random ones now from the Zenpop boxes. Let's try it. These are just like the most satisfying pens to write because they're so inky and pigmented. It's kind of changing color as it dries. It went down really green and it's kind of drying gold. But you can kind of see like the tinge of green and gold mixed in, very like Christmassy. Now I'm gonna see if I can bring you guys even closer. There you go. Oh yeah, you can definitely see it now. It's so pretty. Okay, well, that is everything in January's Zenpop Box unboxing video. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to try some of this stuff. And if you're interested in Zenpop Box, be sure to use my code down below. Again, I just want to say I don't get anything for the code, but I just really want to share the love. So you'll get a discount off your first box. So yes, thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to the internet.